So I have a fuel pressure sensor issue, and this job is way easier than you might think. So pop off the hood, and first thing I'm gonna do, remove this thing right here, set it to the side, and what I'll do is expose this fuel pipe here. This is the part you got to replace. Super simple. It's got a T25 right behind here. So what I'll do, I'll stuff some paper towels down here in case I drop the bit or drop the screw, then I have a chance to recover it. And the part I'm going to replace it with, this right here. I got it for 36 bucks on eBay. I'm not sure if you absolutely have to, but to be on the safe side, I'm going to disconnect the battery. Having the right tool is very important for this job. Even a typical compact wrench, you're not going to get enough clearance here. So what I got is one of these little micro wrenches here. That'll give me sufficient space to get in there. Move around, and then you'll feel that the bit will lock into place, and then just turn. At one point, it's going to be loose enough. You don't even need a bit. You can just take your 2 fingers, get some good pressure on it, and then just turn it bit by bit. All right, I think I got it. This is it right here. It'll take a little bit of back and forth, but it'll come out. And that's that loop right there. Okay, so I already have the new piece in. I couldn't hold the phone and try to replace it at the same time since I need both of my hands. And as you can imagine, I didn't want the fuel to be leaking for too long. So now it's just a matter of disconnecting this plug right here from the old piece and installing to the new piece, putting the screw back, and you're all set. So I got the screw back in, but for demonstration purposes, the way I held the screw was like this. All right, so I went in behind the sensor and used my left hand to push the sensor up and down a little bit just to make sure I find the right angle. And once the screw started to slide in a little bit, I know I got the right spot, and then just a matter of turning it bit by bit with my fingers. And now it's tight enough where I can use this to go in to tighten it. Okay, and pretty much job done. Now I'm just going to reconnect the battery, put the cover back on, and we're going to be all set. Perfect, no more yellow light. And to be extra sure, let's see if the code went away. Perfect, went away.